Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 14th chapter statistics exercise 14.2. Already I have completed 4 sums. That 4th sum is given in the description box, you can check. Now I will continue with the 5th sum. A study was conducted to find the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million. So that is given as ppm of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days is as follows. So the data they have collected for 30 days is given. Make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data with class intervals as 0.00 to 0.04, 04 to 08 and so on. So in the question itself it is given how to distribute the given data. So accordingly we will distribute the frequency distribution data. For how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million? Parts per million. So two questions are there. So first one is we are asked to find the frequency distribution table for the given data. So we will put a tabular column. First one is for the given data. Second one is tally marks. And the third one is frequency. Concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million. So, concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air per million. So, ppm. So, this is only given. Then, next one is tally marks. Tally marks and the last one is frequency. So, we are asked to split it as 0.00 to 0.04, 04 to 08, then 08 to 0.12, 0.12, then 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20. Then 0. Then after this, if necessary, we will do more than this also. So, we will write that if it is necessary, we will continue or else we will do that. 0.20 to 0.24. Okay. So, now first one is 0. So, first distribution, we will take it as 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Only these 4 things we will take. So, first one is 0.03. So, 1. Then next one is 0.04. That we are not taking into account. Then 0.02, then next one, then 11, 8, 12, 13, 22, 7, 8, 1. So this also we will take. Then 6, 9, 18, 11, 7, 5, 7, 1, 1. So only 4. First one is 4. Okay. Then next one is 4 to 7. 4 to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 8 till 8. Here also it is there. Then next one is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 we are getting in this distribution. Okay. Then 8 to 11. So 8, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8. Then next one is 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next distribution is 8. Then we will find if there is any balance, we will include it here. Okay, 8 to 11 only. So 8 to 11 means, so here one more 8 is there. One more 8 is there. So we will get 9 for this. Okay. So for that only simultaneously we will put the tick here, and if there is any balance here, finally we will include that. Okay. Then 12 to 15. 12 to 15. Only 12, from 12 to 15 only. So 12, 13, 2 we got 12 to 15. So only 2 for this. Okay. Then 16 to 19. So 16 to 19 here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for this. Then 20 to 21. So here 20. Here 1 is there. 1. Then 2. Only 2 here. So 1, 2. Only 2 here. So if we add this, we have to get 30. Total 18, 20, 30. Totally we are getting 30. Okay. So when we add the frequency, we have to get 30. Since the question is given for 30. So we gave the answer for the first one. Over. Second one is for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts. So for more than 0.11 is from here we need to count. So 2 plus 4 plus 2. So totally for 8 days the concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11 parts per million. Okay, so that answer. So this is the answer for the first one. Second one is 8 days. For 8 days concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11 parts per million ppm. Per million ppm. So this is how we need to find the frequency distribution table and related answer we need to find. Okay, thank you.